Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are here in my living room and we're going to be doing things a little bit different. Typically I take you guys room to room and do a full decorate with me where I literally decorate the house with you guys. You watch me, you see the behind the scenes, the whole process. But today I'm actually going to be filming basically a living room tour for Christmas. So a Christmas living room tour, and I'm just going to be pointing out all of the things that I have here in my living room that has made it feel very nostalgic, very cozy, very vintage. Those are the things that I was going for this Christmas season, just keeping things very classic here in my space. But that's what we're going to be doing today. Anything and everything that I can link down below for you all, I will have linked down below. And a lot of these things are from Amazon that I'm able to link. So be sure to check out my Amazon storefront. That is linked down below in the description box right below the video. If you click that Amazon link, it will take you to my Amazon storefront, and I have a tab in that storefront that is titled Christmas. Anything and everything that I either have here in my home or just things that I really enjoy that are on Amazon for Christmas decor is under that tab. So check that out. That is an affiliate link. So if you do purchase from that link, I do make a small commission, but I wanted to let you guys know that because every time I share Amazon links, I always have questions about where to find them. So that is where you find them. That is all the details that you guys would need to know on that. Let's go ahead. I'll quit chatting and we'll go ahead and just dive into it. First, I want to say I have been sick the last couple of days, so I'm not going to be doing much of a voiceover through this, simply because I am losing my voice. But as you can see here, starting with the fireplace area, we do have our tree in the corner. That's something that we do every year, and then just added some simple decor to our mantle. If you have any questions about any of the decor in today's video, please leave me a comment down below and I will gladly answer you guys. But I did do 2 strands of garland this year, along with our stockings, some gold touches with vintage bells and garland, and also some ribbon. And that's how this area turned out. And you might notice that the actual fireplace insert is new. That is actually a portable fireplace, like a portable heater that we placed on the inside. And then I just painted the inside of our fireplace a black with chalk paint. So it's definitely been a lot cozier this holiday season, and I'm loving turning that on. It has like a real flame look. I did get that from Amazon for around $70, and that is linked down below in my Amazon storefront. Moving through the rest of the room, starting with the center of the room here, I do have a lot of pillow covers this year, most of which came from Amazon again. Like this plaid one here came in a set of 2 from Amazon, and along with that brown one as well. I also have that brown plaid throw blanket in my Amazon storefront too. And then this Christmas tree pillow is one of my all-time favorites. I ended up picking this up this year at TJ Maxx. I am obsessed with it. I love it so much. I think it's such a great classic Christmas staple. And then I did make a little arrangement on my coffee table with like 3 different stems. I do have some juniper stems, some cedar stems, and some real touch as well. And then I did tie some red ribbon with an orange slice and some bells to this also. Area here that you guys are seeing is one of my favorites here in our living room. This is something that I just put together on a whim late one night. I'm just wanting to make it a little bit different. So as you can see, I used some like coppery colored velvet ribbon, and where this garland is covering, there are actually hooks. This is kind of like an entryway wall. What I did was just tie a piece of ribbon to the first hook, and then strung a bell and then tied it to the next hook. That's how it kind of has like that zigzag effect. I had some leftover bells. That's what I put together with the smaller ones. And then these long bells here, the larger ones, those actually came from Walmart this year and they were only $10. Actually, they were less than $10. So that is how I put this together. And then I just had one extra strand of garland, so I placed that on the top to add a touch of greenery. And then I had some like frosted berry picks that I stuck in there as well to add a little bit of red. But I love how this turned out. I think it's just really vintage inspired. I think it's so pretty, very timeless and elegant, and I'm really loving how that turned out.